Okay, hello YouTube. Bad Wolf, or however you want to say it, is I am doing a tutorial on how to make a Minecraft run file that processes somewhat like this. So you can say, choose your Minecraft version. I've got those versions in there. You can hit the button, and then you choose how much RAM you want to use. So like, I'm going to say I want to use 4 gigs of RAM, which is a little bit excessive. And then you can have it automatically log you in. And then you can say, just jump on a server. Or, well, my server's not up right now because someone was griefing the map, but... And then as soon as you close out of it, it just launches back and you just push 4 to exit. Well, I probably do not have this technique down in the most optimized way. I've got it in a very easily working way. I'm going to be doing this in Notepad++, which is a great alternative to Notepad because it's still quite lightweight, but very, very functional for many programming languages. So, first you're going to set it up so that it doesn't spit out every line of code that it goes through in your run program, and then to make it I've got all my Minecraft stuff saved into one folder, 1.7, 1.8, 1.1, 1.9 pre-release 5. All that stuff is in there. So I've got all those versions, and inside those folders is a .minecraft folder with all that stuff. So this is how you have to line it up to have multiple versions. Don't have to put it on its own partition, but you can say have those in your hard drive in your users folder or something. I don't know, just the root of your drive. For this example, it's just that everything's located. So you just start it out in whatever folder all of that stuff's located in. So you're going to start the begin function. I'm going to clear out everything. I don't know. Well, yeah. Then you're going to have it print out echo, which basically means which version. So Minecraft 1.8.1 version 1, choice 1, or Minecraft 1.9 pre-release 5, choice 2, or Minecraft 1.7, choice 3, or exit, choice 4. So choice N. So this basically defines you can choose stuff. And then if error level space equals say, I don't know, 1, go to function 1. And then you just repeat that for all of the choices you have. And then go to end if you didn't choose any of them. This is just to make sure it doesn't loop through all of the code. So then you've got choice 1, basically function 1. So what that does is you set the app data folder where it's looking for the .minecraft folder to this directory, and then you have it go to so this is 1.8.1. That's my 1.8.1 folder. So then you have it run the Java runtime. Well, wait, actually I can't do this yet because I need to have it choose how much RAM. Did I set this up right? Oh, yeah, I have to do function 1 has to let you choose the amount of RAM. So, echo how much RAM. I'm going to have it be able to set 1, 2, or 4 because my computer's got enough RAM for that. I've got 16 gigs. Choice, new choice. Options are 1, 2, or 4. if your error level is equal to 1, then it's going to go to 1.8 and then 1 gig of RAM. If error level... So do you get how this kind of thing works yet? I mean, it's kind of easy enough. Typos are always annoying. Go to 8 to 4. Go to end. So if you didn't choose anything, it'll do that by default. So then 2, if you're choosing that, then echo how much RAM. There's probably a way where you don't have to do all of the choices and error levels and stuff, where you can just have it use a variable, but I'm not totally sure how to do that. So, I mean, if it's not broken, don't fix it. I mean, that makes sense. If it... Why fix it if it already works? Why did you choose 2? It should be 1 point... It should be 9.1. Then 9.2. 4. Go to 9.4. Go to end if it didn't have any of those, so that it doesn't loop through the next code. And then 3, echo how much RAM. I personally find this programming language, not language, but whatever it's called, to be quite tedious and not a very optimized language. But, I mean, it's what Windows runs on, so unless you're going to rewrite Windows to not use DOS, that's not going to work. And that's all of those. So now I'm going to have it define what happens for 4, which is where it exits. Oh, how do you have it exit? I think just the exit command, yeah. Exit. Then you've got 8.1, which would set app data to to this folder, and then you have to have the minecraft.jar file. It's one of the source. You can download. It's the Linux version of Minecraft. Okay, if you just heard the phone ringing, that was my mom calling. She's about to come home. Not that you need to know that. So you set the app data to 1.8.1, and then Java, and then we're running it with 1 gig of RAM, so XMX 1G, XMS 512M, jar, and then whatever you named your jar. And then if you want it to auto log in, you'd have your username and then your password. I'm obviously not going to put my password there. And then go to end. And then every single time you just do 8.2, and then you just double all of these numbers. So, I mean, just keep doing the same thing over and over again, and eventually you will get a final product of something that looks a little bit like this. I mean, I've got other little hidden stuff in here, but and then you take your batch file, you just Google up something like batch to exe converter. I'm just using the one from CNET. You just download it, wait for it to download, keep, open, run. Next step, no, I don't want encrypted mail. Next, okay, it's downloading, that was fast. Open to exe converter, run it. So then you choose your batch file. So here's my batch file. And then you choose the exe file. And then you just click compile. And then you end up with something like this. When you run it, you get this. So I hope this tutorial was in some way informing or whatever. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, suggestions, comments, whatever, just post them. Also, before I go, I want to show you I've made a new website. I wrote this website from scratch based on the CodeIgniter framework. It's got you got report thing for the server, Minecraft. All the videos and stuff will automatically show up here. You got tutorial section, other I don't even know the server live map. Right now the server was pretty griefed up. I'm putting on a map that a restored version of it. I mean, I don't even know how this person got lava. I mean, but a lot of the stuff has been destroyed. So that will probably be fixed by the end of today. So I guess I'll talk to you all later. Bye.